Before the start of the game, draw the start line and 6 signs in random order, one after another on the playing surface, which can be sand, asphalt, and so on. At the Roman 1 sign, the child jumps on one leg, sign Roman 2 on 2 legs, and at the X sign, he or she crosses his or her legs. If the child reaches the end without making a mistake, he or she can add another sign, and the game can continue indefinitely. Later on, we can also add other signs with new actions to make the game even more challenging.
Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Nika! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Rita! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Jakob! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Vita!
Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Žiga! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Žiga! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop! Ljubljana, Zagreb, Beograd, stop!
Yay!
This game is basically intended as an activity for the improvement of the sense of balance. The roosters cross their arms on their chest and stand on one leg. Upon signal, they jump closer and start bumping into each other, trying to throw the other one off balance. The opponent can be thrown off balance also by skillfully avoiding him or her. The one who, due to the loss of balance, stabs down with both legs first is the loser. It is important for the opponents to be more or less physically similar and of similar strength for the game to not become too rough, not like in this video.